something
Feel a
there.
little bit of
Where are
tension
you feeling that?
In that spot where
okay.
I
Lower
felt it.
down or
Yeah,
mid?
That's pretty good.
No, it's right there.
Oh,
Okay.
Yeah.
So mid to lower hammy.
He's more.
All right, Jason and Aaron here. So Aaron's had a little bit of a setback. He might have had a little bit of a niggle in the hamstring. So this is an actual live treatment. We're gonna
I've just come in from the street
just
with Ninj.
literally off the street. He's still sweating. He's still hot. He's still bothered.
He's steaming like a pig.
Steaming. So he's done his left one. So I'm just gonna assess his right first, just so I've got a bit of a gauge. So I'm just gonna start with a simple passive straight leg raise. It was pretty good. This guy's got good range through his hammies.
Yeah.
So when you start to feel there, yeah. But there's not many blocks there. I can even just do a bent. It feels pretty good that way.
I'm warm.
And then just pull back. Sorry, keep your knee
yep,
there and
yep.
pull your heel towards your bum. So test the strength of the hamstring. How much can he handle? Yep. Okay, so we've got a bit of a gauge there. That one felt fine, didn't it?
Yep.
No issues there. We'll cover him with the towel.
Bit of
So this
modesty.
one we're going to start with the straight leg raise. Just see when we start to feel a bit of a pain, or I might feel a bit of a block.
There's something there.
Starting to feel a bit
Keep going though. Yeah. There's definitely something there.
And where are you feeling that?
In that spot where
So
I
lower
felt
down
it.
or
yeah,
mid belly?
No, it's right there.
Okay.
Yeah.
So mid to lower hammy. Yeah, you can feel a bit of a restriction there. If we
Yeah.
just bend the knee, just going to slowly move this way, see if that...
Fine.
It's all right when the knee's bent, so the hamstring's got less tension on it.
So definitely not
Just-
just up proximal, is it?
Yeah, just do a little bit of a hamstring.
little bit of resistance,
we
but
go a
I
bit of
could
a
feel
straighter
like
leg.
yeah, a little bit of resistance.
Not as much? Yeah, okay.
They're
More
more
when
there,
it's
so
on
more.
length,
If I
yeah.
did straight, what about straight? Would that?
So straight down.
Yeah, that's probably more.
Okay.
Yeah.
So he feels it more on a straight leg. So we're going to get him to roll over. We're going to do a little bit of work through it.
See if we can create a bit of change, Jace.
Bit of change. So
So even that, see, like just
pushing off
pushing off from there. Definitely
Okay.
Feel it.
All right.
Bloody hell!
I know. Where's me wax? Did I bring wax down here?
I'm probably sweaty enough.
He's probably sweaty enough, he reckons. So Ninja, my fluffer. So I'm just going to start high. So we start under that glute fold because he said it was a bit lower down. So I'm going to build into it. I don't want to go too hard. So with these acute, literally today, like not even an hour ago,
6 minutes ago.
there should be one down on the bench there. Oh no, we've lost our wax. That's all right. He's sweaty enough. So we're just going to do a little bit of a broad palpation, a little bit of treatment through there just to get a feel for what's going on around the site. Because, yeah, when it's a fresh injury, we don't want to smash it and go too deep. We want to allow that initial healing to happen. But we can just start to get a sense of how it's feeling around that area.
Yep, something there, Jace. Oh, yep.
Too much?
So
So we're getting feedback that we want it to be like a good...
it's just more. It's sensitive because it's just happened. But that's
Yeah.
definitely it.
So, yeah, it feels a bit tight through that section there. Winking hinge.
What do you think, Jace? Bicep femoris?
I'm thinking, yeah, a bit of bicep femoris.
Sounds like Ninja's going to get his hands on the
Oh,
footy.
Ninja's going to get in the rub. Oh, you done double.
Comparison. Didn't want to waste the wax.
You just wanted to, get your noggin
Him
on.
up a little bit.
Fuck, Ninja's having a go.
So
Warm up straight.
just staying light, staying slow. We don't want to cause any more trauma to the area. We just want to encourage a little bit of that tissue to sort of settle down. Fuck. Me or Ninja?
Nah, just sighing.
Just annoyed.
Sigh of relief.
I'm a bit disbelief, actually. Like, it just...
A bit of disbelief going around at the moment.
Can you remember a time where I've had a soft tissue thing?
No, you've been very good with your
I
soft
don't really
tissues.
have them.
Bit of calf Achilles stuff in the.
But not a strain.
Yeah, that was...
That was more a wet. That was more a...
Yeah, true. Wasn't really a tear, though, Feels good, Jace.
Feels all right. That's a good level of pressure.
Yeah, that's past it now.
Look at this.
Very specific. You got 4 of them, baby.
Oh, there we go. Ninja's found all our wax.
We pulled him out of the
Put them in the kitchen.
kitchen.
Pull a rabbit out of a hat.
So we'll go a little bit more lateral just to see what's going on there.
Oh. You can ring my bell, Jace.
Ring your bell. Not too bad, not too bad.
What are you diagnosing, Jace? What are you thinking?
Well, because it's fresh, like it might be like a low, like you can still walk, so that's a sign. How big a pull-up did you have, like when you were running?
Oh, no, it was just like, oh my God, what's that? That's a hammy. So it wasn't like
Wasn't a stop, hop
it wasn't
sort
like
of...
a grab the back of the leg.
Okay.
Yeah, it was just
So
like...
it's probably a low grade, like maybe a little strain there, or whether he's caught it early enough that it was just sort of in the phase where it's like they're sort of stretched but not even actually torn sort of thing. So
that's what I was thinking. Is it just
going into like that guarding sort of mechanism? So he doesn't want the leg to go any further because there's potential for further injury. So
Okay. So you're saying I'll be right tomorrow?
I probably wouldn't be right tomorrow, but I'd be conservative with it because you'd rather
right there
ease for a couple of days just to let it recover, and then you can gradually build back into it.
That's it.
Rather than causing further damage.
That's it, Jace.
But there is, like, I know a lot of sporting clubs these days, like hammies, they are getting them to move quite quickly. It used to be a lot of, like, rest for that initial couple of weeks even, and, like, yes, doing some strength stuff. But I think these days they're even getting them under controlled running, like that low level where you don't feel it, so keep the hamstrings moving. But
I actually did the last rep. I just went around at like 60%.
Yeah. So I think that is actually encouraged these days.
Just to get
but it's just knowing where you're at and not going too hard too soon.
Right, okay.
Not as bad on the full lateral side. I feel like it's more through the middle here.
Yeah, okay.
Is that what you were sensing as well?
There's just a very specific spot where it starts to feel sharper.
Yeah.
That's so it's good. That's good pressure.
And then around about.
And then it's about
there.
Yeah, keep
there.
going.
We're coming into
When's
it.
it coming? When's it coming? This one's not coming.
No.
So that just feels like old tension.
That's good because I feel like it was higher up when we first did that first
that's
stroke.
definitely
I feel like I'm
old.
lower down than I was before you.
Yeah, no, that just feels like, maybe around. No, it feels like old tension. Yeah, that's old tension. So it's definitely bicep femoris, I think.
Yeah.
Ooh, something there, but I think that's old again.
Doesn't feel as fresh. That freshness has a sharper sort of pain sensation to it, doesn't it? So that one was all right.
That's okay. I reckon the first lines you had it. So just like a smidgen over to the outside from there. I guess this is what it's like to be a practitioner, AJ. You're just kind of playing and seeing.
With these acute strains as well, it is a bit more getting feedback because we don't want it to be a traumatic, like feeling, that's causing further damage. So this one is a bit more where you have to be a bit more discerning, that's the right way? Yeah.
Good word.
A bit more discerning and get that feedback because, you don't want to be pushing them through their boundaries where it's, feeling more traumatic and aggravate that issue more. So as a practitioner, it's knowing what certain injuries are presenting like and how that client's responding. Again, not too bad there.
No. It's weird.
A bit more,
Yeah, there. Doesn't feel as sharp as it did at the start, though.
I'm probably going same pressure, maybe even a little bit more.
You rubbed it out, brother.
That's what we want.
Oh,
a little bit more.
A little bit there, but it still doesn't feel like that initial sharp sensation. I don't know if this is... Oh...
Old pain, or that's fresh
just
feeling?
Good. Just making noises because it's good. Yeah, it's awesome.
And then what I might do is actually even just soften it a little bit because when he had a little bit of a bend in it was when he had some pain. So just to see how it feels, if the muscle feels any different when we're shortened. And going the other way. Sometimes you can find different areas going against the grain.
Ooh. Jeez, Green Dragon's doing a bit.
Where are you feeling the green?
Just both knees.
Anterior knee.
Yeah.
pack it on.
Yeah. Oh.
Feels a little bit more coming up this way.
Letting go. That's okay, bro. It's okay. Nah. Feels good.
Not too bad.
Feels great.
Right, let's go one more through the...
Through the guts.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Let's see what happens when we create a little bit of lengthening.
If I let go of it, you got it?
Yep, I got it.
Yeah. I'm not holding, am I, though?
No. So yeah, a bit more of a real life treatment here, guys. Sorry, I got right in the zone there. I wasn't really talking at all.
No, that's fine. I think people would like that.
It's a bit more of a behind the scenes.
Maybe we'll call it a real hamstring therapy ASMR.
Yeah.
Ooh, it still feels okay, man.
Okay.
Okay.
A little bit more coming up.
Yeah, but I mean,
If I roll that way.
that doesn't feel too bad. It's definitely on top of that there. Yep. Wonder if north of that, is it going to be... Yeah, this is territory. Still good, though. Nothing I don't feel good
Comfortable
about.
with?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Happy with the flossing still?
Happy with the flossing.
Okay, good.
It's like going to my dentist.
Clean the teeth?
Clean the teeth.
Jeez, I never get anything stuck in my teeth.
Clean the chompers.
Plenty of gaps out there. Tony Gregg would have to get the keys out and test the cracks in the teeth there.
You reckon you could be an advertisement for
Yeah.
for Sellies?
I reckon.
No gaps. Leo like that one. Bro, that feels
All
good,
right, we
man.
might just to see where we're at and to see if there's anything else. We might get Aaron to roll over, nice and slow. Yeah, what test did we do? All right, so the initial was a straight leg, so there might still be a bit of lingering.
It's fine. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine.
Okay, we're getting higher.
That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. I mean, I don't feel anything like I did at the start.
Are you starting to feel a little bit of tension
I
there?
feel the stretch.
Oh,
I
okay.
don't even feel.
That's pretty good.
You can go higher. Like
Oh,
said, where I'm feeling that
is more high.
into
Okay.
into the hamstring.
Yeah.
There's nothing down there anymore. Not even talking bullshit. That's
Okay.
what I mean. Yeah.
Now let's bend the knee. We'll start with where we were, just to see. Just pull a little bit back towards you.
I feel it a little bit,
Yeah.
but it's like it doesn't feel like
It's like an awareness.
Yeah.
Just and then let's go just a bit. Go full straight leg. Sorry.
Okay, yeah.
And then push down.
That feels stronger.
Okay.
That feels stronger.
All right. Is there anywhere you feel like you want a little bit more? Is it
Maybe just a little bit of like double thumb.
okay? See if we
don't
can
know
go
if you
precise.
Yeah. Yeah. Even if you want to sit and maybe do something.
Okay,
else in
yeah,
this
yeah.
position, I don't know.
See what we got. Yeah. Probably don't need. Let's go this way and
It's a little bit.
yeah.
forward there.
Just thought we'd build into her.
Yeah, that's it. Maybe just pin straight onto it though, not the drag to start with or something. Yeah. Oh no, drag's probably good, yeah. Where did I put my microphone? Oh no.
Oh, he's
Oh,
silent.
so that's good shit there. That's nice to have that pushed into. Yeah.
Got it, Leo? Is he clipped it on underneath?
I'm clipped on, sorry.
That's all right. Hopefully you heard it. Maybe just slowly straighten out your knee there if you can. See if we get a little floss.
So I reckon lateral, more lateral from there. Let's see if we can pin it straight on. And I reckon lower down. No, I would say
Or more
up
to knee.
towards the knee, yeah. Maybe a little bit down towards my butt from there.
Yeah. I'm just trying to get an angle now.
Oh, yeah.
That's a bit harder than I was going, but let's see how we
Good
go.
one, Jace. Yeah.
Good amount of pressure there.
It's good, bro. Feels great. This is good, man.
So
Real
we're
treatment.
keeping him in a range where he's comfortable, but yeah, again, just without him kicking me head.
That's good there, bro. Yeah. Oh, that's really good. I think you bang on it, bro. Oh, shit, ducky. Ooh, yeah, what's that?
I feel like there's a little bit there.
Yeah, it's great, man. That's amazing, though.
Even just slide your heel out now, so you're sort of lengthening.
I didn't think you were going to be able to improve my straight leg raise that much, seeing as I did it 40 minutes ago.
Get the before and after for that one, please, Leo. Happy with that.
That's it, bro.
Happy with myself.
That's it, bro.
There we go.
Yeah, that's it. That's a sharper sensation.
Okay. Still good, or?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, this is definitely it, man. Yeah, got it. Let's bang on. So what was that, bicep femoris?
Yeah. Nearly more down in, still muscle, but getting more towards the tendinous point, yeah.
Suppose it does get white pretty quick, doesn't it, femoris? No, thank you, bro. That's filled me with a lot more confidence, that.
Just straighten out. Let's just do another little testy test. So when we first started, I reckon you were feeling it about...
I felt it straight away. Yeah, that's it. But nothing. Nah.
Okay, so that's a good sign. We're getting up to 90, so...
That's crazy. I mean, we're talking 20% at the start, weren't we?
Yeah.
Thanks, Jace.
So yeah, I'd probably advise Aaron just to do some light little hip hinges just to start to get some lengthening and contraction back through that hamstring. And yeah, because he's not feeling too much, just keep getting some movement through there, even some pelvic thrust, getting the glutes going again. Still using a little bit of hamstring, but we could go through some exercises. But today it's just sort of, not getting too eager. I'd probably
wouldn't be running
sprint
tomorrow.
Probably
have 7 days off minimum, but still move.
You can still move. You can even try it a light jog. Yeah. Just because 50%, see how that feels.
Stay in that comfortable zone. You might still feel it, but because my last rep, I actually ran it at 75-80%, and you can feel it, but you know it's safe.
So you want to stay in that zone.
Zone.
Yeah.
And then compression, that's what I'm going to do.
I'd put a bit of compression on it, yeah. And then, I'm not sure if you want Green Dragon on it now, maybe
not any more than what I've got going on
should
now.
be burn a hole through you.
Thanks, bro.
But there it is,
Legend.
Thank you.
See ya.
Live hamstring treatment. See you guys.
Thanks, bro.